So this is the projector it's on. Tested the game when it was in closed beta. It's been a little while since I've been vlogging. I've been doing a lot of short form contents recently, and I've been really consistent with that. I post on Instagram and then I cross post to my YouTube. So if you've been keeping up with that, you can see that I have actually did a little bit of a setup update. I do like to do a proper setup tour, but that'll be in a different video. I will show a little bit what my setup looks like. I also got a new PC case and I themed it as Miku, so I'll show you a few of that here in this vlog. I also have another video that I'm going to be coming out soon. I don't know if it's going to be before this vlog or after this vlog. The game, I always keep forgetting how to say the game name because the game tongue ties me, but I have the game. Well, I beta tested the game when it was in closed beta. It's going to be released in April from what I'm gathering. But the game is called, if I just head to my YouTube studios, it's Neverness to Everness, and it's kind of like, it's a gacha game. It's kind of like a mixture of Genshin Impact and Honkai because it is futuristic, but it's a really large city world to explore. The storyline though reminds me a lot of a TV series that was in the Sci-Fi Channel called Warehouse 13, because you're like you're artifact hunters and you're looking for anomalies. So that reminded me a lot of that TV show. But yeah, I did like a 1 hour series. I even crashed my first car. So if you want to see all that, I'll have that uploaded. I will include the link in my description. And if this comes out before, I'll update the description once I release that video. I also have a projector that I like to show. This projector is really nice because of the speakers that you could turn. But yeah, I'll show that all soon inside a vlog. I just kind of wanted to do like a little bit of a talking update. Also, I've been playing Honkai Star Rail and I've been trying to pull her. I don't know how you like Sparkies? I don't know, something like that. But I'm trying to be pulling her. So far it hasn't been doing so good, but I did end up getting every night on a previous banner, so I'm kind of trying to get my pities back in the free to player, and so it's kind of hard that you just basically have to like grind the storylines and any events. Alright, so this is the projector I got from Soundcore. I really like about this projector, not only is the speakers, but right down here we have this little stand which you could actually close if you want to lay it flat. But I don't. I like to keep this open all the way because I like a slight tilt, because usually I don't want to project closer to the floor, I want to project closer to the wall. So this actually helps to tilt the projector to look upwards. So you can see it's more of now an upward motion to the projector. The projector also has these speakers with this hinge, so you can see right here it is like super smooth to open and to close. But then you could also twist these speakers if you want the audio upwards. If you want the audio like facing over here, you could actually just change them, and it's just so easy to move the speakers in any direction. And then again, it just closes. I also like for having the strap, you can actually right now it's portable, so it's easy just to pick up and take around wherever you want. The lens also is a all glass lens. It has its remote, which I actually like the remote. You can't tell from here, but it's glow in the dark. Let me go see. Let me turn this light off. Let's see now. I still have a lot of light in my room, so it's kind of hard to tell, but it will like glow. A lot of these buttons will glow in the dark. It does have YouTube, Netflix, Prime on it, and then we got the mute button, we got home, we got like the standard things that you find with a projector remote. Alright, so this is the projector. It's on. I turn off like almost all my lights, minus I've kept my like IKEA light, and I kept like my Duvoom and my color lights there. I mean, I could shut them off, but they're not really going to affect the projector. But here is the projector. It's kind of blinding the camera, but this is it right here. I really like it because it is super bright. I don't have it connected to anything. It's just the power cord that's connected. And currently right now I have like YouTube for like ambience, like wallpapers and stuff, like Star Wars or castles, and then I'll just show that on the projector. I typically like to put that on my setup, the projectors, but occasionally I like to like project it to my wall. So let me go ahead and flip the camera and then show you different scenes and how it looks like this projector. If you can't tell already, I'm kind of obsessed with Star Wars. First thought that I got off of YouTube and looks really amazing, looks real. I gotta come out of here so I can stop looking into the projector. But I'll show some different of my favorite projectors,